Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Linton, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving involves transporting belongings over a distance of 50 miles and above. For a long-distance move to be successful, thorough planning is needed. We put a lot of effort into the planning process, and our clients are always satisfied with the results at the end. We maintain our moving trucks, so there is no delay or breakdowns during the trip. Our movers and handlers handle your belongings with care and transport them to the destination promptly. We also have state and federal permits to move belongings over 50 miles. Our insurance policy also covers risk liability throughout the move. A local move is less than 50 miles from your current location. 3 Movers offers top standard local moves in Linton, Indiana, and we get your relocation on time because we are also conversant with the different routes in the city. Our customer agents provide you with the cost estimate and other necessary details, and our local moving services are organized and adequate. Our rates are also very cheap. Our hourly rates range from $30 to $40. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Linton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.